Hello everyone, you are at VS Masterclass Maya. In this video we will learn that how we can utilize the display layers of Maya. So directly need to jump within the Maya and see that how the display layers will help us. Here you can see we have a very meaningful scene in which we have a table, we have one chair, and we also have one floor. Suppose I really don't want, or in other words, I just want to get rid of this table from this scene. So obviously we are not going to delete this, because if we save by mistake, our table will not available afterwards. So that is why we have one option called display layers within Maya. Where we can find it, this is the main thing. At extreme right hand side you can find display, or you can see channel box and layer editor. Here if I just zoom it a bit for you, so you can also see the channel box / display layers. So it must be activated, then only you can see the display layers here. Right now it is blank because we have no layers within this layer stack. We have to instruct Maya that what type of object in selection we just want within our layer 1 or layer 2. Similarly for layer 3, 4 and so on and so forth. So what we need to do next is we have to select. There are some other ways to do it as well. One by one we will learn that how we can add the selected object in display layer of Maya. So here you can see multiple options. If I just highlight this, the very first option you can see the up arrow indicator. It means it is actually a sequential tab. It will help to uplift the selected layer in the layer stack. Similarly you can see the downwards arrow key tab. It will help us to drop it down. Then very next, the third option, you can see we have one plane. Over the plane you can see a plus mark. It indicates that how we can add a layer within this stack, and at extreme end you can see one plane with a sphere over the top of it. It indicates that whatever we have in the selection over viewport, if we click this tab, the last tab in this sequence, Maya will not only create a display layer within this layer stack, but also add the selected object automatically for us. So quickly we just need to check everything what I just shared with you just now. Here we have our table in selection. So if I click this tab, it says create new layers. So here you can see we created one layer. But if I press V stands for visibility. If we click, it must be invisible from our viewport, but it is not. So what we need to do is we have to select this layer 1. We just need to click right and we have to pick add selected object. You can see add selected objects. So we have to press it. And now if I press V, so our table is invisible. Another way we can also do the same. We just need to select the chair, and now we can see the second option, that is create a layer with the selected object. And if I click this icon, Maya will create another layer called layer 2, but like earlier, here we don't need to click right and we don't need to click over or select the add selected object, because Maya already did this for us. If I click V here, if you click V, you can see that our object is now invisible. So by this only we can select the display layer, and precisely we can hide them and unhide them by using the display layers layer stack of Maya. In the next video we will see what we can do further in Maya. You can subscribe this channel, you can hit the like button, and obviously you can share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video very soon.